Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No.
Are you sure you don't have? Later, once you come to work here, you just suddenly tell us, I have a boyfriend here, I have a children here, I have a brother, I have a sister.
No, ma'am. No.
So please
Have,
be honest.
yes, I'm definitely honest.
Okay, very good. Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, I don't have any
Okay.
uh,
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. This is my first.
Why just suddenly wanted to come and work here abroad?
Because
Why not choose to stay in the Philippines only?
uh, I want to give uh, to myself for in because I want to also help my family and to my
Okay. So can you help me introduce yourself?
yes. My name is Ramati, 40 years old, mother of 9 children, and I am a high school graduate. And
Sorry, you have 9 children.
yes, ma'am, I have a 9 children.
So you got 9 children. Oh my goodness. So, okay. So how old are those children?
My eldest, my eldest kid is 19 years old. The second is my daughter, 18 years old. The next is 16, 15 years old, 13 years old. The sixth is brother, 12 years old, and the three girls, 7 and 5.
Okay. So I would like to know some few more details from you again. Okay, you are married, is it?
Yes, I am a married.
Okay, so your 9 children got one father only, right?
Yes, of course. One.
Yeah, so I'm just asking only, so don't get angry, okay? We are
Yes,
doing the
ma'am.
initial interview here, yeah? So, when is your birthday?
March 25.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My height, I think 5 flat,
Okay. Your weight?
54,
54.
54.
So, you are a Muslim. What is your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
High school graduate. So, this is your first time working abroad. And how old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband worked as a tuk-tuk driver and he's 53 years old.
53?
Yes.
Okay. So who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Uh, my eldest son is helping to my husband, taking
Okay.
care of my other children.
Yeah, okay. Because you have 9 kids, okay? I don't think so your husband can handle it with his own self only, right?
Yes.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and I have 3 sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I am a eldest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
Well, actually, that
Sorry.
56 years old.
Okay. So, do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, of course. I do it.
Because you will not miss your children, is it?
Yes. Yes,
Because
ma'am.
you got 9 kids, okay? So I would like to
Yes.
explain it to you. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you miss your children. You cannot handle your job anymore. Nobody will going to take care of my kids. No such a thing, okay? Once you decided to come and work here in Malaysia, it is within your heart that you are completely decided that you wanted to come and work here. There is no back outing once you work here, okay? Because
Yes.
if you are not truly completely decided, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem later, okay? But if you're really willing to come and work here, then you can finish your 2 years contract. Because you know that once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. And you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
My experience here, I'm finished 2 years contract in my Chinese Binondo, Manila.
Okay, so how many years you worked there?
2 years as a nanny.
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
I am started to work there in 2018 until 2021.
2021. What is your job responsibilities there to your previous employment in Manila?
I'm taking care of the 4 years old children, and I'm working there to my priority to bring the child to school and
How many
leave
children?
only one.
4 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
So you do the house chores, you do the cooking, you do the laundry, and you do the ironing?
In that employer, oh, nanny.
So you focus on taking care of the child only, which is 4 years old. You didn't do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, right?
Yes.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Because my employers go back to their country.
Okay. After 2021, do you have any working experience?
I have a experience also in a freelance agent.
Sorry, can you repeat? It's quite choppy. After 2021, you have a working experience in what?
Freelance agent. And also as a
freelance agent as what?
in agency, ma'am.
Okay, so you are a freelancer way back 2021
Until 2023.
2023. So you are a freelancer. Why now suddenly working as a domestic helper?
Being a agent for there's like not what do you call this? Not uh, not consistent.
So the income is it?
Yes.
Okay. After 2023 and until recently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible. Houses here is very big, employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak Malay?
No, I don't have any
Okay.
speaking.
It's okay. Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, of course.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Maybe my food can promise, but to learn.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Again, speak.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Oh, yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You can take your dog?
Maybe dog.
No, okay. So, as I have mentioned, how do you fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I think
You can handle.
yes, I can handle.
Okay, so in Philippines, as I have mentioned many times, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Rama. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.